Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal broke his silence over the corruption controversy, tweeting the truth will prevail and that the one-day assembly session today would mark the beginning. The special assembly session today is likely to be a stormy one, coming 2 days after a member of Kejriwal's own cabinet accused him of corruption. Delhi's sacked Water Minister Kapil Mishra made further accusations, saying that Kejriwal favoured a relative with a 50 crore land deal, after which he was then suspended from the primary membership of the party. Now, Mishra has claimed he will register a complaint with the CBI.
The Delhi Chief Minister was at a funeral of his brother-in-law, Kuldeep Bansal. Within hours, his once trusted minister accused him of favouring this very man in illegal land deals worth 2 crore rupees.
सत्येंद्र जैन जी ने व्यक्तिगत तौर पर मेरे को खुद बताया था, जमीन की डील के लिए 50 करोड़ रुपए, छतरपुर में एक 7 एकड़ के फार्म हाउस की डील सत्येंद्र जैन जी ने किया अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के एक रिश्तेदार, उनके ब्रदर इन लॉ।
तो चिता में आग लगाई गई, जिसकी आज सुबह उस व्यक्ति की चिता में आग लगने के 2 घंटे के बाद कपिल मिश्रा उनके बारे में अनाप शनाप आरोप लगा रहे हैं, उनके बारे में उलझुल बोल रहे हैं। थोड़ी सी तो इंसानियत रखें।
Sacked by Arvind Kejriwal, former Delhi Minister Kapil Mishra has decided to go to war.
11:30 बजे सीबीआई का टाइम मेरे को मिला है। सारे डिटेल सील बंद लिफाफे में सीबीआई के दफ्तर में जाकर देके आऊंगा।
He also alleges that 10 crore rupees worth of fake PWD bills were passed for Kejriwal's relatives, the Bansals, and that tickets for Punjab and MCD elections were sold for a price. The allegations follow Mishra's first, where he claimed he saw Kejriwal receive money from another minister, Satyendra Jain.
Mishra for the moment has not been able to give out any evidence to back his claim, but it's been enough to make his position in the party quite untenable. But for the Aam Aadmi Party, caught up in corruption scandals and even defection within, nothing seems to be going well at the moment. With camera person Vijay Patwal, Sonal Mehrotra Kapoor, NDTV.
Well, Amitoj Singh joins us on the phone line for more. Amitoj, Arvind Kejriwal tweeting about the truth prevailing and about the special assembly session today. What are you hearing?
Well, there are a lot of there is a lot of talk about one particular issue that will develop today, and one way is expecting that at this point in time we can expect some development over the EVM issues. Some Aam Aadmi Party MLAs may talk about that. So that's interesting at a time when there is enough talk internally about a conflict within the Aam Aadmi Party. A lot of people talking about whether it's just Kapil Mishra's allegations against Arvind Kejriwal or, what was happening earlier with Kumar Vishwas. It's not a rosy picture within the Aam Aadmi Party. What is going to happen next, keeping in mind that last night itself there was also a certain conflict about Punjab, with Bhagwant Mann being appointed the convener of Punjab, and a number of Punjab senior Aam Aadmi Party members not happy with that situation, keeping in mind his reputation at times, Bhagwant Mann getting himself involved in controversies. Yet, Arvind Kejriwal was very clear about wanting Bhagwant Mann as the convener. So there is a lot that Arvind Kejriwal is dealing with at this point in time. What will happen, we will of course have to see. Before that, before the 2 o'clock assembly session of the Delhi Assembly, there is also something that will happen with Kapil Mishra going and meeting the CBI, is what he's claimed. That will be between 11 and 12:30, he has said. So Gargi, it's going to be a big day for the Aam Aadmi Party. What will they do in the assembly session? You can expect that the BJP will be, talking loud, despite the fact that they have only 4 members. So there will be a lot happening, and we can expect that NDTV will be covering it very closely.